How to hide and remove contact suggestions on Messenger. Open the Messenger app on your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. At the corner, tap on the three lines to open the menu. Then tap the settings icon to go into your settings. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. From there, select Hidden Contacts. At the top, tap on Add, and then pick the contacts you want to hide from suggestions. To fully remove contact suggestions, go back into the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Account Center. Once it loads, find and tap on your information and permissions. Now tap on Upload Contacts and choose Messenger. If Upload Contacts is turned on, tap it and switch it off. To delete contacts that were already uploaded, tap on Manage Contacts. You'll be redirected to a browser where you'll see all the synced contacts tied to your account. Tap on Delete All Contacts to wipe them out completely. That's it.